Why does everyone ask us what we do with our boat in winter time? This is our walkway to the boat. It's haggard. If we took it out, we couldn't use it. Aha! I'll hold your hand. Scoot us over there. Yeah. Oh, yeah! Oh, God, I should drive the boat. All right, the plan is I just stand here and film you do everything. No. To answer the question, number one is we don't have any way to get it out. We don't have a trailer, and even if we did, our boat is 12 feet wide, so we can't just go to a ramp and just pull it out easily like a normal boat. Reason number two, the river doesn't usually stay frozen that long. The third reason is because when it's not frozen, we want to use it. And when it is frozen, we want to use it. What are we doing here when it's wintertime? We can sit here and do our editing. It's coming along. The thermostat's set at 50 right now. We got the propane tank and the propane heater, which we can also use to cook our dinner up. In fact, I might have some country style baked beans or some ravioli later today. Or we do have another little delightful treat. Frozen hot dogs, and these things are not hard at all. Oh, they're discolored. That's between all the layers and the heat methods that we have, it can stay pretty warm in here. I've actually gotten this thing up to over 70 degrees. One of the biggest challenges to winter boating is the snow. All this probably adds about 300 pounds of weight to our boat.
That's 1.5 me's.
It's that time again. Another thing we gotta do
is shovel our roof. And the panels. A plastic shovel is a lot safer to use on these things than a huge tree. The snow seems to be cleaning our panels pretty nice. Dude, it feels so awesome up here.
Wonder what the weight limit is on here.
I know it's not me rated.
I'd be good at this. Isn't curling running your veins? We even gotta clean off the dock.
Luckily, I'm kind of Canadian. Ice doesn't really affect me.
Yeah, you're like a graceful little ice fairy. We gotta de-ice the boat or we risk capsizing. I always say that in Deadliest Catch.
We gotta shovel off the roof or else we're gonna sink. We're getting top heavy. We gotta de-ice the boat.
Another well-known popular wintertime activity is ice magnet fishing. All right, that is frozen to the deck. All right, it's free. You could really get under there and take a look if I was just a little bit more insane. I'm not going on the outside, that's crazy. Safe. Is this why people think we should take our boat out of the water? We also got this bad boy for breaking up ice.
Look right here to see what really goes on in the winter, and it's gonna be awesome. So thanks for watching, and don't miss our next adventure right here.